Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy dinner for two in 40 minutes. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start by preparing our potatoes first. Here I have some red skin potatoes and I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, complete seasoning, and some paprika. You want to add that to your potatoes along with a little oil and mix well to combine. Once we're done, we'll place this inside of the air fryer. Remember, we want it to be done quick, so I preheat my air fryer to 360 and we'll cook this for 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I went in there with some melted butter and just basted my potatoes. And that's it guys, super quick and easy, but yet still delicious. Now let's prepare salmon. I went ahead and washed the salmon and pat it dry. For the seasoning, I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and seasoned salt. So I coat them with some oil and then I combined the seasonings really well just so I can get an even distribution. And you want to just coat them with the seasoning nicely on both sides. Now to my preheated skillets, I will go ahead and just sear my salmon. You want to cook them for about 4 minutes per side, or just cook them to your desired doneness. We will cook them, like I said, for 4 minutes. You want to give it a flip and then allow it to cook evenly on the other side for another 4 minutes. Once they are nicely cooked all the way through, you want to just remove and set aside. Next up, we have some shrimp. I will go ahead and coat my shrimp with some oil, and here I have my seasonings, which I will list in my description box. Now I went ahead and washed the shrimp prior, so they are nice and clean. Once they are done, we will go ahead and cook them in that same skillet that we cooked our salmon. You want to cook these for about 2 minutes per side. Once they are done, remove them and set aside. Lastly, let's cook some asparagus. So to the same skillet, I added some butter in with my asparagus. Then I added some seasoning. Give it a nice toss. Let these go for about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook them. If you overcook them, they will become stringy. So be mindful of that. Once they were done, I just removed them from the heat and I got ready to plate my dinner. This was so quick and easy, but absolutely satisfying. So here you have it, my version of a quick 40-minute dinner for two. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy